Hi B, good evening. Happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat sa pagiging B ko. Sana forever akong maging me mo. Chos. Sana matagal pa ang friendship natin. Thank you sa lahat ng tulong, sa accounting. I'll pray for you. Magiging isa kang successful na CPA balang araw. Just don't forget God's guidance, ha? Kasi yun talaga pinaka-importante sa lahat. Sana maging masaya kayo ng my loves mo. And speaking of, tinanong ko ang my loves mo kung ano talagang favorite song mo. Kasi sabi niya, madami ka naman daw favorite song. Gusto sana kitang kantahan ng mga Maroon 5. So, ito yung binigay niya sa aking kanta. Sana magustuhan mo, ha? Okay, game. Sabayan mo din ako. Kung gusto mo. Sige, game. And then say you're feeling so hollow. And it's a hard pill for you to swallow. Yeah, but I fall for you. Whenever we cover, if I fall for you, I'll never be the same. I'm gonna get somebody. I really wanna give the night away. I know you're only halfway there, but you take me away. You take me away. I really wanna touch somebody. I think about you every single day. I know you're only halfway there, but you take me away. You take me away. B, happy birthday ulit, and thank you sa lahat. Love you. Mwah.